Hello, I am the new staff today.
Welcome to the job.
I am nervous because my English is not good.
It's okay, you will get used to it.
Can you speak more slowly?
Sure, I will speak slowly.
I don't understand this job.
I will guide you.
Can I ask a question?
Of course.
I want to open a bank account.
Do you have your documents?
I don't understand this form.
I will help you fill it.
I need an IRD number to work.
Have you applied?
I don't know how to apply.
I will show you.
I filled it wrong.
It's okay, do it again.
I am looking for a room.
Do you want long-term rent?
How much is the rent?
$250 per week.
Is electricity included?
No, you pay separately.
Can I see the room?
Sure, follow me.
This room is quite small.
But it is very quiet.
How much is this?
It is $5.
I am looking for rice.
It is on aisle 3.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
I don't understand this label.
It is discounted.
I want fresh vegetables.
In this section,
I am not well.
what's wrong?
I have a headache.
You need rest.
I don't understand the doctor.
I will explain.
I need medicine.
I will prescribe it.
I have a fever.
Drink more water.
What time do I start work?
At 8 a.m.
When is my break?
At 12 p.m.
I made a mistake.
It's okay, fix it.
This job is hard.
You will get used to it.
I need help.
I am here to help you.
I was late because I got the time wrong.
Be on time next time.
I don't understand this email.
I will explain again.
I forgot my schedule.
You should check daily.
I didn't hear clearly.
I will repeat.
I got the wrong address.
It's okay. Be careful next time.
I miss my family.
I understand that feeling.
I feel lonely.
You will adjust.
I am trying every day.
You are doing well.
I didn't want to give up.
Keep going.
I will improve my English.
You will succeed.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I learned a lot.
Glad to help.
See you again.
Good luck.
I will come back.
You are always welcome.
I will try harder.
I believe you can do it.
I don't speak English well, but I am learning.
That is the most important thing.
I will not give up.
You will succeed in New Zealand.
This is my new life.
Welcome to New Zealand.
I will try every day.
You are on the right track.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Good luck.